Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to merge two tables in Outlook horizontally. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for the table option. Then choose row and columns, create for table. Then now I have merged table to table is the middle column select and going to the table border option and click for the no border option. Then again click for the middle column and click for the table border option and click for no border option. I hope enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.